Sapporo's most famous fireworks event is the Toyohira River Fireworks Festival, which is usually held in late July. The kimono has fallen out of favor and is rarely worn as everyday dress now. They are most often seen at summer festivals, where people frequently wear the yukata, the most informal type of kimono. This festival takes place along the Toyohira River, with over 4,000 fireworks lighting up the summer night sky. Spectators gather along the riverbanks for a fantastic view of the display, with the backdrop of Sapporo's skyline adding to the spectacle. Other notable events include fireworks during the Hokkaido Shrine Festival in June and the Morainuma Park Summer Fireworks Festival, which combines art installations with fireworks for a unique experience. However, it's good to check the local schedules for specific dates, as festivals may vary year to year. If you're planning a visit, make sure to arrive early to secure a good viewing spot. Public transportation is the best way to get there, with the nearest stations being Nakajima Koen Station and Hirajishi Station on the subway. The Toyohira River Fireworks Festival is a perfect way to experience a traditional Japanese summer festival atmosphere with an exciting visual display. I just stay within the park cause there's a lot of locals on the Stream River spot. Exiting the park before the show ends to avoid the crowd. Watching on this spot is perfect. I stand and watch on this side is magnificent. Sapporo summers are mild and pleasant, making it a great time to visit the city. Summer typically lasts from June to August, with average temperatures ranging from 20 C to 26 C 68 F to 79 F. Much cooler than other parts of Japan during this season. It's a popular time for outdoor activities and festivals. After the fireworks show while walking back to Susukino, grab free drinks for everyone.
飲みたいってなった時、じゃあ今度は
Heading to Donkey Odi. Yes, Donkujoti, often abbreviated as Donkey, is a popular discount store chain in Japan, and some of its locations operate 24 hours a day. In Sapporo, there is a Donkujoti store that is open 24 hours, making it convenient for late-night shopping. Sapporo's entertainment hub, packed with bars, nightclubs, karaoke spots, and izakayas, Japanese pubs. It's one of the largest nightlife districts in Japan and a great place to party. Sapporo Nanahiro is a popular entertainment building located in the Susukino district of Sapporo.